Alright, rise and grind. I'm back out here. Posted up. Got a Chevy. 2013 Chevy Cruz. Got a lot of leakage going on here. Valve cover gaskets needed. But I'm here for this here. That broke. Leaked all the coolant. That goes to the water outlet. That's what that is. See all that green coolant? It's supposed to be orange coolant in Chevys, GM vehicles. And this here is the thermostat. And as you can see, you got a lot of corrosion. That's where it's been leaking. So I'm going to be replacing the thermostat and the water outlet. Go ahead and knock that out. Got a lot of rain. It just start coming down on me. But you see I'm tinted up. Alright. Already got the water outlet off. It's gonna be it right there. Match that up. Boom, boom. Alright, that's where that goes. Go ahead and put that on there. Connect all the hoses. Alright, we on there. Thermostat. Gotta get back there. It's coming off. That's the new part right there. Alright, so we got left. Now that old one. We got a lot of corrosion going on here. That one clean. You know, and we got the inside of here. Corrosion all in here. I recommend an engine flush, coolant flush. All right, everything looking good. We're going to fill it up with coolant. Dex Cool. Always use Dex Cool for your GM vehicles. It says it's on it. Chevy GM. Put everything back together. Top it off. Alright, next we're going to erase these codes. Alright, the check engine light is off. Alright, now you want to turn on that heat. Let that heat blow to get that, make sure your coolant flows, thermostat opens. Get it right. Alright, so we got it topped off. Letting it run for a moment. No leaks. I don't see anything leaking. So we're good so far. I'm going to go ahead and test drive it. Get it up to normal temperature and see what it do.